So how do I talk to Fairmoney customer care? So let's say for example you are having some issues about your account, or you are trying to reach out to them to make some inquiries about Fairmoney or about your personal account. All you just have to do is just to find their customer care contact. So this is their customer care contact details if you are just trying to reach out to them, and you can also get their office address on this page. So you can see their office address is 28, I don't know how to pronounce it, Odanye Close of Adeniyi Jones, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. No money in the office, everything is digital. That's quite amazing. So their email is customer service. You can see this is a customer service center, help at fairmoney.io, and this is their phone number. Fairmoney, you can see they have different phone number right there, and you can also see their FM Fairmoney business. You can see their another number. So you have like 4 contacts that you can reach out to them on. So it's very simple, and they also make it more simple for and easy for people out there who are very much interested in reaching out to them. So it's quite simple to contact the Fairmoney customer support.